students, this is Dr. Gaurangi Bhatt here. Today I am here with a new topic, letter writing. The most common form of written communication is the letter. Letters should have a format that goes with the latest conventions. Now, types of letters, we have informal letters and formal letters. Informal letters are letters that we write to our close associates, friends and relatives. Formal letters are always for business or official purposes, for making inquiries, registering complaints, asking for and giving information, placing orders and sending replies. So, in formal letter, we will study letters to the editor. In this, giving suggestion on an issue, and second we have application for job. Now, while writing the letter, we have to keep few points in mind. Write the letter in full block format to the left always. State your reason for writing in the first paragraph and stay on track. Always include specifics that will help ease the recipient's task. For instance, if you are writing to a bank, mention your account number. If you refer to other correspondence, quote date of the letter, reference number, file numbers, order numbers, check number with date. Include copies whenever possible. Self-introduction should be avoided. Informal expressions, greetings or contracted forms of words should not be used. The language should be simple, straightforward and to the point. Leave a line additional space between paragraphs. After writing one paragraph, just leave one line and then start the new paragraph. And no punctuation marks are used while writing letter. Now, in job application letters, what you have to keep in your mind. Curriculum vitae, that is called CV or biodata format. Resume should be written. It should not be included in the body of the letter, but after the complimentary close as an enclosure. So, if you are writing a letter for job, then you have to mention you have to attach your curriculum vitae also at last. In the letter to the editor, you have to use yours truly or yours sincerely as the complimentary. Now, the format of while writing letter to editor. First of all, sender's address will come, then your date will come, then receiver's name, rank and his or her address, like the editor, name of the newspaper to whom you are writing, and then the address. After writing receiver's name and all, then you will write subject of the letter. Then salutation is your like dear sir, dear ma'am. Then comes your body of the letter. This is the main and important part of the letter. And then next is your write at least 3 paragraphs, and after writing one paragraph you will leave one line. Start fresh paragraph from the margin. And after writing this all, the main part body of the letter, then complimentary closure will come where you will write yours faithfully and your name will come there. Now, I have written one question here just for an example. Write a letter to the editor, the National Times, highlighting your ideas or the importance of education of women leading to a better status for them. You are Tarun Taruna, B7 by 9, Mall Road, Delhi, and you have to write this in 120 to 150 words. So, let's see how we'll start. First of all, we'll write the address. Sender's address will come here, and after writing sender's address, then we'll leave one line and then we'll write the date, and after writing the date, receiver's address will come, that is the editor and the National Times, New Delhi, and then pin code. Then after that, your subject will come necessity of women's education in India. So after writing this, your salutation will come, that is dear dear ma'am, dear sir, whosoever you are writing. And then next is the body. Body is the main part of any letter, and this is written in response to the topic that is given in simple and direct language. You have to write this. So first of all, I'll just read it. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to highlight the burning issue of women's education scenario today in India, leading to their status in the family, society and the nation as a whole. So after completing one paragraph, you will start the new paragraph from new line, leaving one line. It is unfortunate that women in India are not well educated, especially rural women have remained illiterate for ages. Despite literacy campaigns in the villages, the female children's education is neglected due to parental lackadaisical attitude towards them. It is also a matter of deep concern that a woman's complete dependence on her husband or sons for financial needs makes her a slave in the family. Secondly, the reason for the poor status of women in the society is that sometimes the parents want to get rid of the burden of the daughter by getting her married under age. In view of the necessity of women's education and financial independence, the authorities concerned need to look into the matter seriously. And then last, your complimentary close, that is, first you will write thanking you, then yours faithfully, and the name you will write whatever the name has been given there. So Tarun name has been given there, so we have mentioned Tarun here. Hope this is clear to you. Thank you.